I'm going to show you how to change the FOV in Minecraft, both in the Java edition and the Bedrock edition. If this video is helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like to support it. First, in the Java version, from the main menu, just click on Options. The option to change the FOV will be right here. Simply click and drag the slider to change it. If you drag it to the left, you'll decrease the FOV. If you drag it to the right, you'll increase the FOV. The maximum is Quake Pro and the minimum is 30, but I don't recommend using 30 since it becomes extremely hard to play. Personally, I usually prefer something around 75 or 80. Now, in the Bedrock version, it works pretty much the same way. From the main menu, click on Settings, then scroll down until you find the Video section. Scroll down again until you see the FOV option. The default value is 60, and it works the same way. Drag to the left to decrease it, and to the right to increase it. The maximum is 110, and the minimum is 30. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel to help out.